Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change video quality on Facebook app. So there's a full guide. I will be just tap on my Facebook application on my mobile device, or you will have logged in on the web. So just moving in the right bottom corner option is the settings, and we will just scroll down and just finding the option is cellular data use. So just make sure we'll just get in, and here you will see here's the option is video quality. So you will just manage your default video quality and the amount of cellular data you use with the following options. So if you just on this optimized, so it will be just adjust the resolution to network conditions, and if you just switch to data saver, so it will be lower the resolution for all videos. So the choice is your, you will be just set it, but I'll be just recommended for the optimized. So in this way you will have to change video quality on Facebook app. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified